Encore. They don't just aspire to sell you a part, they are committed to offering the best value to keep your car or truck going. Encore parts are available at a variety of nationwide retailers. Visit them online at encoreautomotive.parts.
My name is Adrian, and on this tech tip, we'll be installing this parking assist front view camera from Encore Automotive on this 2022 Nissan Altima. Let's get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove all these clips from the top panel, the axis. And just a simple panel popper will work best. And then just lift this up. And it gives us better access to more connectors, where one of these connectors goes to our actual camera. So we're gonna have to take these bolts off as well, get these more clips going. So now we have access to it. You want to go ahead and fold this forward, not too much. You don't want to damage anything here, but if you want, you can put a piece of block, something in here to give you better access so you can reach up in there. Okay, go ahead and get your 10mm swivel, give you the best access up in there. And there's one screw. So we have your camera here. Just go ahead and go chase down the connector. That'll bring you down to this side. There's another clip harness. Go ahead and unclip it from here to give you better access to it. It's just a clip. Go ahead and disconnect it. And then you go ahead and replace the camera with your Encore Automotive. Camera only goes on one side. Make sure it's pointing down in the direction you took it off. Go ahead and place it in position. And hand start these screws. Go ahead and tighten it back up. And then you go ahead, make sure you connect this again. Feed the cable. Hear that snap? Put it back into place. Make sure everything's back in order, out of the way. And then put your clips back on. And once you're all done, yes, we'll have to make sure that there is no faults. We'll check the system. We'll turn on the camera. And if there is no faults, we're good to go. If it shows you a little box that there's an error, we'll go ahead and do the adjustments for the camera and get it calibrated. Go ahead and get your clips and put it all back in. They just snap right in, very effortlessly. Okay, now we got to turn on the car. And we'll check our display. Make sure our cameras are correct. And the front camera is showing displayed. There is no box showing there's errors. So we are good to go. And if we got to this point and we saw that there was an X in the camera we replaced, we would have to go and calibrate the camera and adjust it with our Console 3.